Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. This is such a fun little book for kiddos called Mix It Up. It takes you on an adventure learning about colors so you can watch colors splatter, mix, and transform all at the touch of a finger. I think this book is so neat because it's teaching your kids about primary colors and how you can mix them together to make whatever color you can imagine. And it is just a fun little interactive book that makes them feel like they are mixing the colors just themselves. It's so fun, and I think it's so important to help your kids learn how to be creative, and it is just bright and exciting. So if you want to help your kiddos get creative, learn about colors, and have fun painting, then you should definitely give this book a try. It's called Mix It Up. I think it's super fun, and I definitely recommend it. And that is my point of view.